I guess you must have already guessed from the title, is another celebrity inspired lookbook, and this time I am attempting to recreate Kriti Sanon's look from the film Rabta, which is releasing today. So whoopee, I am really excited for the film, and I feel that she has worn a lot of bohemian looks, a lot of accessories, yet she's worn denim, she's worn very plain t-shirts, just tying them off. So I guess her look overall is basically very wearable, apart from the, I guess, the reincarnation or the previous birth which they have shown, something like that. But in this age, whichever look she's wearing are very recreatable and they're very beautiful and simple to wear. So I have basically come up with 5 looks, so I hope you all enjoy. I have tried to recreate and put my touch to them as well. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And guys, we are about to reach 1K, so let's go and let's reach it soon. And now let's just get into the video. So the very first look is this one, where she is seen wearing this blue printed dress with some tan jacket and jewelry. So I opted to wear this blue dress which is sleeveless but has similar kind of prints, and instead of wearing double triple necklaces, I just opted to wear this one bohemian necklace which has a similar vibe, some hand jewelry and a turquoise ring to just match the outfit. Also, I wore these AGO tie-up chappals to complete the look. So this second look is basically from the song Darasal, which has just released, where she's wearing this plain yellow t-shirt, some garba jacket and toned jeans. I did not have yellow t-shirt, so I opted for this plain black t-shirt and I just tied a knot like her. The garba jacket, which is matching to my outfit, toned jeans and tan chappals to complete the look. Also, if you're not comfortable tying a knot, you can just tuck it in the jeans and it will give a similar look. So this is basically one of my favorite looks, which I was like wow for the very first time when I saw the trailer. And here she is wearing this black graphic t-shirt, again tying a knot round the waist. So I basically opted for a similar black graphic t-shirt, and since I did not have a blue denim pajama, I just opted to wear this red color tie-up palazzo. Also, she's basically seen wearing some coin jewelry and some other accessories. Since I did not have something like this, I opted to wear this blue jewelry to complete my look. Also, I wore the turquoise ring like her, and I carried a tan bag since I did not have that fringe bag, and this is how my complete look looks like. Now this is basically a pajama party look and it is perfect for a girl's night out. I basically opted to wear a striped oversized sweater kind of a thing, and inside I'm wearing a white t-shirt similar to hers. And since I did not have a blue printed shorts, I wore this one which is printed, has floral prints all over from AGO. And since I cannot see what she's wearing below, I just opted to wear the white sneakers, and this is how the complete look looks like. So the last look is this one, which is from the song Main Tera Boyfriend. Here she is wearing this golden kind of a top and shorts. So I did not want to wear that small top. That's why I opted to wear this sequence top to match my outfit. I love how it has a superb club vibe to it. And I opted to wear these toned shorts from Colaba and added these sequins on the ends. So guys, in order to DIY the shorts which Kriti is wearing, all you need is basically a tone shorts. Even if you don't have tone, it's okay, but tone gives you a more of a club vibe. So you need a tone short. These kind of sequence lace which you can get in any local market. If you don't get a sequence and if you get stud ones which she was wearing, that's pretty good. It will look more better. But if you get this, then this will also do. A scale to basically measure the length of your shorts and the lace which you are going to cut, and a pair of scissors to do this. Now I have cut the lace into 2 equal parts like this, which I'm going to stick at the end. What you can do is, you can have 2 centimeters at both the ends so that it can be easily folded inside the short and it can be sticked or stitched very easily. Now depending on how you want this look to be, you want it temporary or permanent, you can either use a cloth glue or you can use basically safety pins or kacha dhaga silai to secure it. And this is the final result.